Right, okay, chaps. I'm once again joined by Mr. Neil. How are you, Squire?
All right.
Now, this video is going to take a lot of faffing about because, what we're going to do is I got this. When did I get this? Yeah, it's when I bought. Let me see that all right. I bought one of the LCD handhelds last year, and the guy goes, "Oh, by the way, you don't want this, do you, mate?" And I went, "Oh, I'll have that." So you can see there, the Commodore International TV Games. I didn't even know. Did you know that Commodore had something like that?
I knew they did a wee console off the Commodore 64, but
but nobody talks about that. Yeah, you knew why that failed. Well, it failed for two reasons. One, none of the games, or every game I should say, that came out in it, you could get on cassette for £6 on the C64, or you could get the same game for £30 on the console. And this is I shit you not, this is a true story. They brought out a game, I can't remember, if anyone knows the game, stick it in the comments. They brought out a game, they ported it to the, it was called, was it the 64? Oh, I can't remember, it doesn't matter. They ported it to the console, and you could not play the game because you had to press a key. It was like press space, and people had completely forgot to take that out. So the game was impossible to even start. So there you go. No, that came much later. Yeah, I mean that was a stupid bloody idea. I mean it was basically it was a Commodore 64 minus the keyboard, and the games were like 10 times the price. So yeah, but apparently they do go for stupid money. No, this thing here, I mean, TV game, I mean, did you have any of these back in the day?
That crappy Binatone one.
I think
which is another story.
Yeah, well, you know what, I'm going to put Neil and I, this is kind of part 2 of this sort of thing. Neil and I did do a video, must be about
2 weeks ago.
No, I'm talking about the one where we tried to tune it.
Oh Christ, what, 3 years ago?
Yeah, we dug out the Binatone TV game and we tried to tune it to an old TV, and well, I don't want to give you any spoilers, but yeah, we'll just leave it at that. But this thing, so I don't know how we're going to get on with this. Commodore's International, there you go. It doesn't actually say these could be the arcade versions. In fact, if you actually notice that, these are just like drawn. They're not even real. So this will be soccer, as they call it back then. Tennis, squash, I don't know why. And now,
I wonder if it's on the AY3 8500 chip, which is.
I don't want to disappoint anybody, but I don't think the gun is included in this, which is a shame. I'd quite look forward to trying that. Yeah, so there you go. What's interesting? When did Commodore? Where did they come out? Atari was Sunningville, California. Where was Commodore? Where were they based about? Was that not in the States somewhere?
No, States.
I think it was. But then you flip it over, it's just the same. And what does it tell us? It was made in Korea.
Well, they made things all over the world.
Probably did.
You just shift it wherever's cheapest.
They probably did. So now, if this game worked, what would we rate the graphics for that game?
Awesome.
It'd have to be a 0, wouldn't it? Right, anyway, you want to pan that out a wee bit so we can, let's get the glorious unboxing. Oh, there we go, I've got it upside down. Now, I'm curious as to, hang on, Fust. It's got the classic Fust.
Oh, somebody's.
I wonder why that's actually been cut, isn't it?
Somebody needs some polystyrene.
No, I know. Bloody hell, not realising that this would have been worth a fortune if I'd kept it.
No gun.
Right, so yeah, there's no gun. I'm actually thinking, where would the bloody gun go?
In a separate packet.
Possibly. Anyway, I got it for nothing, so we can't really complain. Now,
4 players.
4 players it looks like. Yeah, let's have a wee look. I don't know if you can zoom in on this. Bat control, it says. Well, I feel that's actually that's more quality than the Binatone ones. The Binatone ones were just real cheap and nasty plasticky things. That feels proper quality, man. Pure quality, man. Know what I mean? So 4 players. I never realised that you could plug a controller in. I always just thought that was for audio only. something like that. Yeah.
You can use it for anything.
There you go. So yeah, 4 players. Who knew? I'm just like, how can you get 4? Right, you can play tennis with 4 players. Doubles no less. So yeah, we've got 4 of them. Right, this one's right. That one's already plugged in. Now, I've never tried this, so don't get too disappointed if it doesn't work. And wait a minute, where's the Houston? We have a problem. Oh, is it batteries?
Is it all fusty inside?
Is it batteries? It's batteries. Bloody hell! How many batteries is that? 6. Now at least it's the A. You got that. There we go. You can do a quick look to see what's on each side.
9 volts AC.
There we go. I've got batteries anyway, right? So let's flip it over. Let's look at the front of it. Let's go through the features. On, ein, off, aus. Is that German? Is it
German? Yeah.
Was Commodore German? I probably was actually.
No, they probably sold this in Germany.
Yeah. Right. Reset or Rückstellung. Bat serve. Oh, that's a nice feel. That get a feel of that. That's a nice positive click. That's nice.
Oh, yeah. You don't get knobs like that anymore.
No, you can't even get a good stiff knob like that. Right, left links, right. There we go. TV game 2000K. 2000K. It was the future, man. Bloody
Is
hell.
It compliant?
And right, going round in the back.
Oh, serve.
What are you looking at?
Ballenwurf.
Ballenwurf. Even teaches you German. So on the front, there's nothing on the front. Nothing to speak of.
It's already going to be scared of her.
Side, nothing at all. It's actually quite small. That's what she said. On the back, now unfortunately, rifle. It says here. We don't have that. And then we've got the 9 AC, 9 volt adapter on this side.
9 volts AC rather than DC.
Is that unusual? Right, so anyway, right, we'll do a jump cut and I shall go and try and procure some batteries and we'll try and get this thing working. Right, back in a tick.
And here we have the lesser spotted Alan trying to put batteries into.
Right, so that's that. So it's 6 of these. It's certainly better than the old Binatone that took these car battery. Do you remember these massive? Remember the torches back in the 70s that he took camping, and the battery was like
huge.
It was like the size of a massive coffee mug.
You can still get them.
Do you? Bloody hell!
Can you put them in the right way round?
You never ever do. It's like the old USB thing, right? And that goes that way, like that. Like I said, I've never tried this. This is the first time this is going to be attempted to be switched on. Right, batteries in, stay in.
Right, put the cover on.
Cover on. Right.
Turn it over.
Okay. Get that. Like that.
Right, are there any magic lights when you turn it on, or is it?
Right. Well, let's switch it on. Well, it says it's on. There's not actually any lights as such, so. Right. Well, yeah, let's try and. This is where we hit a snag and find it doesn't. Oh, it does actually have an RF.
Oh Christ, so we're going to have to tune it in.
That's the point of the video, you know that. You knew that already. Right, okay.
Where's the remote?
Where is the remote? There it's there. Right, TV on. TV on.
Press the channel button.
TV on. Alright, okay, smart ass. Right. I was going to say it's not SCART. Where's the HDMI? Where's the input thing?
Have you not got to tune it into the channel rather than...
Yeah, we probably will. Right, let's... what? Menu, possibly. Sound, picture.
Install.
Install, that sounds like a good shout. Now, anyone under the age of about 40 probably doesn't remember doing this. You had to, you got a video recorder to tune it. Right, Search, just go for that, do you think?
We'll
give it a go. Right, is it on? Right, that's it on. What we want is a drum roll. This is where I should be over. Oh God, it looked like it was going. Oh! Now, if I remember rightly, that was the problem I had the last time. The signals was not strong enough and it never really locked in. Is that just done a loop the loop?
Aye.
The problem with this is you don't even have a. There's no.
Right. Can we do it by hand and then we'll go into the fine tuning?
That's what she said to her. She said to him. Right. Anyway.
What did it go about?
Sorry. No, we did kind of get. Right, was it? That's.
Let it go.
And this, folks, is the reason that these things sell for pennies on eBay. Because you can't fucking play it. Can you get an RF to HDMI? By any chance, do you think?
Yeah, but they're a bit expensive.
If not, see, it was kind of.
What's that standard above it? Band S.
Band C. We'll try Band C and we'll do search again.
Today on YouTube. How not to
Alan and Neil's attempt to tune a TV.
Part 2.
I mean, you're getting a slight flicker or something.
Oh, about 10.
Did that do something? Was it better or no? Oh. A minute. Fine tune. I'll go back to me. If I remember rightly, when we tried to tune the Binatone, we had to use the buttons in front of the telly, which made it even 10 times worse.
And there was no instructions, you had to kind of press things and hope for the best. And
There's a fun having instructions, right?
But there's somebody watching shouting at us with morons.
Go with the automatic install the Commodore TV game thing. Right, that's not really bollocks. Changing that's not going to make a toss of difference, is it? I mean, you're not even getting you're not. We don't even know if this is working. You'd have thought. I wonder if the sound comes out. Would the sound come out the TV? Probably would, eh?
Aye, probably. Oh, there's probably no sound.
Bound to be sound, surely. Even the Binatone had sound, goddammit. Right, we'll try. What did we do? Was it Band C to begin with? Was it?
Yeah. It was about channel 10 or so, was it? No, you need to go to the big search. No.
And then you just come down once you've got.
Yeah.
Alright, so you can actually tell what number it's going to be.
Thrilling. Yeah, there, 10. It got dark. So if you can go up to search and move. Oh, 11.
Right. 11?
Yeah.
Right. Oh.
We're probably picking up somebody's baby monitor. I'll tell you what, can you go back to where it's dark there?
Yes, that's...
Turn it on and off and see if it...
So it doesn't even look like...
Pause it, get your meter and we'll see if there's anything coming out.
Off on... Because that could be a problem if there's no actual any power coming to it. And I'm sure I've put the batteries in the right way. And the batteries are definitely Got power in there. Well, I go and get my meter thing.
I go and get your
Go
meter.
my-
I'll pause this so people don't get bored.
Right, okay. What before we?
Oh God, I don't think you're going to pick anything up. It's just.
Well, give it a go.
It's
It's all part. Yep. This is the quest to get the Commodore TV Games because it's got an ace in it. Working, so Neil's going to use the high-tech wizardry of a multimeter, which I bought and I don't even know how to use. That's a good thing, isn't it?
What's a crap meter?
It's $9.99 Amazon best.
You got done.
I think these batteries are definitely in properly.
Just to see if there's anything coming in it, if we can pick anything up. I've not used RF for ages, but there's a short on there. I don't know if there should be. I think
it's fucked.
Can you flick the power switch?
Flick of the switch. Right, that's on. Right. Off.
I mean, I've not used RF for years.
On.
I can't remember if it's supposed to be a short across it or not.
Off.
Fuck all. Sorry, nothing.
Right, okay. Right, back in a tick.
Right, there you go. You can hold this in case it goes bang.
Alright, cheers.
Hopefully it's the right
Alright,
polarity.
it'll be that. Bastard. Right, that's plugged in. Let's listen. Oh! There's definitely
There's a transformer in there.
I definitely heard something. Yeah, you can hear it going.
Yeah.
Is that the right polarity then? Yeah.
Plug it in and find out if it goes bang.
Well, we'll switch the
Have you got-
polarity.
No, it should be fine.
Right. Okay.
Have
right.
Has it got a polarity switch on it?
Yeah.
If it's,
But if it wasn't set to polarity, it wouldn't make that noise, would it? Well, let's.
should be okay if it's it says it's AC. Once AC, but
Right, are we ready to start? Are we record? Yep, we're recording this bit. Right, oh, for Christ's sake, look at this. Jesus. What are we looking for? We're looking for the thing that comes out the back. Right, we'll turn it off at the moment. It's off. What the hell's going on? Let's ring that there.
instant spaghetti.
I've certainly never made that kind of thing with noise before. Right, okay. When you say press channel?
I've already done it, should be coming.
Alright. Oh, that's...
Oh.
That's a lot.
Something happened.
Right, okay. I don't know whether that's good or bad, right? Picture. Oh no, we want to go to install. How do you go back? How do you go back in this? Menu. Right.
Okay.
Right, okay, let's try install. And then we'll go back down to that, search.
Boom, 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 boom.
I would be impressed if I got a copyright strike from Star Wars.
Oh, that's what it was before. Oh.
See that kind of had the semblance of a thing, right? There's no much point in letting it go in twice. So what was it?
It was about 11, was it?
Well, it was quite far up. Maybe 50 or something.
30,
I see,
37.
37.
37.
Right, we'll go back to 37. Oh. Right, fine tune. Another way. It doesn't even look like. It doesn't even look like it's. No. What I'll do is I'll. I'll try the polarity switch.
That might blow it up, I don't know.
Is it really going to make any difference? Fuck it, let's go. Right,
hopefully there's protection. No,
right.
he had the polarity.
Right,
Hopefully, hopefully I haven't just blown something.
Right, do we try?
Find to the old portable cellos you had with the
exactly. All this bloody automatic tuning bollocks.
Digital crap.
Right, that's doing nothing. Right, I'll try C. It's weird why that would affect it. Sorry, S.
S. I. S or whatever it is.
Okay.
Here we go.
Getting a kind of lighter screen than I imagine.
That'll look from.
It's hard to tell if it's actually in-game graphics or if it's just an out-of-tune picture.
You're not pressing anything yet?
I am doing nothing. Oh, you hear that kind of ball getting
yeah.
hit?
Sounds like it might need a... Oh, you're getting a call.
I'll just decline it. There's a one holder. Right, what do we...
No, 11 was that baby monitor thing.
Right, wait a minute, how do we... I'm going to wind it back up again, so...
About 35, 36. Stop.
At least with the Binatone we had, we really got albeit a shit picture, but we were able to actually see it. Yeah, let's do it. Was it 36, did we say?
Yeah.
No. 36. Oh, bollocks, come on. Is it worthwhile trying a different TV? Or
it might be, you never know. And we've never tried this with anything else, have we?
No. Right, we're getting... Now, you know what? I'll go get another TV, but to make this video slightly interesting, may as well video a sleeping dog, a snoring dog. And that's going to be more interesting in the video.
Jax!
I'll let him sleep.
Rolling.
Right, that was the Wharfdale TV. That had an epic fail. So this is Luxor. I think this was the TV that we did fanny about 2 years ago. So let's give it a go. Now we don't have any remote control for this one, so I did, but I don't know where it is. It's one of these multi whatever it is. You hide your Facebook so people can't see what you're posting. Right, how do we
see all my Facebook bans?
We'll switch it on anyway. What would have been the chances of that just working?
0.
Yeah, probably. No, for the life of me can't remember how you... How do you tune this damn thing? What's the chances of this working?
0.
0.
Oh.
There you go, who knew? Wharfdale, folks, also works with Luxor.
Also rebadged crap.
Bloody menu button works as well. Why didn't we have this 3 years ago? Right, anyway, installation. It's switched on. What do we do? Just search.
You too can look at numbers going up.
This does look more promising, but again, we've been there before.
Is it switched on?
It is indeed.
It's not making any noises. Press the serve button. Play with the knob.
It's still. Oh! Oh, fuck! It looks like it's gonna.
Play with the knob.
Turn the knob. Oh, I mean this thing. Ooh. Oh, that was it switched off.
No, it's switched on. Leave it.
Right, it doesn't seem to be making any noise with what you were getting. You were at least getting a noise previously.
Can't smell any smoke escape.
Nope. And that's on.
If you keep turning it off, it won't catch a signal.
Right. But I don't think it's actually on, is it?
That's gone all the way around. So send it all the way around again. What's that tuning mode?
Why is it? Yeah, well, we've done it all the way around. We'll try back. Right, we'll come out and go back in. Menu.
Search.
Search. That's kind of alright. That you've got the S and C. I don't know what the difference is. It's a bit concerning. It's not making any noise away. You just want it to go bing. It kind of looks like it's going to do it, and then it just kind of fades away.
This was modern technology.
Thing is, that TV is probably about 20 years more modern than that thing.
No, an instruction manual or something with it.
I think.
Okay, see on the back panel, was there anything written about channel output or something like that?
Patents. No.
What's that up there?
You're looking at that, just patents.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like it's fucked. Yeah, we're not getting any. We're not getting any. Not getting any noise at all now, are we? Probably the fact I'm switching polarities on the fly isn't helping. No, you were getting a but now we're getting absolutely nothing.
Turn it off or open it up and we'll have a look.
Really? You want to do that?
Yeah, see if we can see anything.
May as well try and make the video moderately.
You got a screwdriver?
Yeah, I'm sure we can do that. Right, jump cut. Neil's just about to fix it. Neil is the budget Diet Coke of
one of the screws was very loose, but
Yeah, Neil's a Diet Coke of Gadget UK. That's a high accolade, by the way, because what Gadget UK Chris can't fix is not worth even talking about. But to be fair, you've brought some of my little consoles to life.
Somebody had sprayed them all and covered them with WD-40 inside.
Yeah, maybe it wasn't me. I don't think even I'd be that daft.
Well, it's a water dispersal, but it was a horrible residue. So use contact cleaner, not WD-40 on you.
What was it? Right.
That one was really loose, so I think somebody might have been in here before.
This is where you want to open it up and you find somebody's stored a big wad of money. Oh, there'll be all Scottish pound notes, which are all... Hang on, I need to just... Before Neil does the great reveal, I've got a dog that needs out for a quick piss. Hang on, 2 trips. Come on, Archie. Here you go, son. Hurry up. There you go. Jacks. Let it never be said we don't go to great lengths to provide you lot with some shit entertainment.
You need a better screwdriver set.
You see, I did actually think about doing the fast forward at this bit, but then I thought, nah, let the bastards watch it all. let them watch it in real time. Suffer with us. Bam, bam, bam. Should there not be? No, there should not be 2 cables coming from the batteries, but maybe not.
Do you smell?
You're going to go bang, bastard. Anything glaringly obvious? It looks fairly clean for what I would imagine is an old...
Yeah. The RF modulator. Yeah.
But there's no capacitors or anything to change, is there?
So that'll be the thing for changing the channel app.
Sorry?
That'll be the... Was it?
Ah, right. Ah, so you could... Oh, could you turn that then?
Oh no, that's the screw for... I'll go straight into the screws for releasing the...
What is that anyway? That's that thing in the centre.
Oh, the potentiometer.
So you don't turn that then? Yeah. When you plug it in when it's on and see if it... Is that not really advisable?
Yeah.
There's a wee bit kind of damage to...
Oh, yeah, that might... Nah, that's just the controller. It's melted though. Might just be through age. There's a bit of corrosion on the wee capacitors there.
Bit of corrosion on this as well, isn't it?
No, that's just...
Yeah. Is it worthwhile getting the old IPA out? No? Nah.
No, it's something. It's going to take a wee while to clean it all up and check.
Right, listen, we're not going to go to that extent.
But it's rather worrying that it stopped. The noise stopped.
Are you thinking maybe the power thing's gone?
Oh, let's plug it in and find out. What's the worst that can happen?
You die. Where are your car keys? Just so I can drop your body off, your lifeless body off at your front door.
Right, keys there.
Come on. Yeah.
It's probably people screaming and telling Bertie what's wrong, but fuck it.
Is there a noise?
No, dead.
Dead as a dodo. Oh, what am I doing again? Oh, do it again.
Off. No.
I thought I was hearing like wee kind of clicky noises, but
Yeah, because I'm flicking the switch. That's a click. You hear it?
no, but I thought I heard it kind of a slight kind of staticky kind of. Well, we try one.
What?
We try one other power adapter
Where's the meter gone?
before we throw. The meter's going over here.
Let's check there's 9 volts coming in. I hate this meter.
I think that was the one you recommended I buy. Or was it? I think it was actually Ian Cullen that told me to do it, so you can blame him. So that's working.
I was testing the wrong place. Yeah.
So the meter's working.
You're saying -8, so I've got the probes the wrong way around. If I go the other way,
It'll go
it
plus
should be
8.
+8. There's power getting into it. It'd be a long job just to take it all apart and check everything. So
It's weird the fact that it was kind of working and it wasn't working.
yeah, probably just end of life.
Right. Oh well.
Might just be a loose connection inside. So
Right, well, what I'll do is what I have to do is so get it back together again. I'll just batter it a few times to see if it does something.
try it with the batteries.
Right, I take them back out. That's true. Yeah, just to, you want to put it back together again? Yeah. Now I could do a jump cut, but I'm not fucking going to.
Right, stick the batteries in.
I'll let you, just in case I was doing them wrong, but I think I was right. You've got to kind of lift them in and press them down at the same time.
Thank you.
Fuck me, I'm sure they recorded the moon landings easier than this, eh? Jesus God. Although as we all know that didn't actually happen, but yeah, right.
Christ, you've been watching too many arseholes on YouTube. You'll be getting into flat Earth next.
Of course it's flat. Right.
I've been watching some of these flat earthers. They're absolute fucking morons.
You do know that any flat earthers that are watching this are instantly going to down thumb this video, but anyway. Well, apparently down thumbing isn't actually a thing anymore. They don't actually show up.
Yeah,
they don't always.
It's a shame.
Fuck all. Nah, we're not even getting a hiss. Not a hiss.
Watch the batteries go flying.
Kaping. Are you going to check to see if there's any power going into that?
That's why the batteries wasn't working.
The batteries are good. I know they're definitely good.
Some idiots put one the wrong way around.
I can just hear somebody's missus saying, "Why are you watching a guy put batteries into this thing?" Because it's interesting.
It's a man thing. Fucking again.
Take it for me, folks. Never ask Neil to go for a loaf of bread.
You didn't turn that while I was looking away, did you?
Not me, sir.
9.59 volt.
So the batteries are good.
Yeah.
The batteries are good. So is it safe to say, as we say in the industry, it's fucked?
Might just be something's blown inside.
Yeah.
But when we turned it on, remember we could hear that transformer.
Yeah.
Some transformer going. It might have been the speaker,
Yeah.
but it sounded like.
Listen, if Gadget UK is interested in taking this as a pet project, that would be much appreciated, Chris. I could apologise for wasting people's time. We're not going to. You were hoodwinked with the thumbnail and the deceptive video title.
Turning on. Turn me on, dead man.
Anyway, listen, folks, if you've really got a desire to play Pong, then use an emulator. That's a hell of a lot cheaper, albeit much less fun. I mean, look at this shit that we've got in here. We've got a laptop, we've got a TV.
2 TVs.
We've got Neil, we've got a TV, we've got that, we've got a fucking voltmeter, we've got that.
Dogs.
We've got the dogs. That reminds me, actually still outside them, we've got batteries as well, so... But anyway, listen, it was all worthwhile because I now know that my Wharfdale handsets do indeed work with Luxor. See, I could call this a Luxor TV hack, couldn't I? There you go.
I don't know, it's my the remote for my TV that I bring along to the club. That works with everybody else's TV.
It changes everybody else's telly off. Anyway, listen, folks, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Say goodbye, Neil.
Well, goodbye, Neil.